A very good morning. This is Engineer Amir Sultan Rana, CEO of QHSE Business International. I hope you are following me on my videos. Kindly follow it and let me know about the updates. And whenever you need more information, you can contact me. Today, I will be telling you about ISO 45001 2018. It's a standard of occupational health and safety and tells about how things need to be done and managed properly under the guidance of ISO main authorizing body. So, in this standards, the first thing is we should need to know about the scope. The scope of the organization should be listed very properly, and if possible, it has to be include occupational health and safety element in that scope also. Then we comes up to the occupational health and safety policy. Occupational health and safety policy should be structured like the organization is doing work which is taking care of the employees on the all levels of PPEs, and they have a facilities of firefighting, they have a facility of first aid, there are no incidents are happening, companies spending a lot of money on the training of occupational health and safety for the employees, and blah blah blah. These type of policy need to be structured. Then we need to have a objectives of occupational health and safety, which tells about that what objectives should be done, and these objectives should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. And these objectives should be like ensuring that complete premises are having 100% compliance of firefighting equipment at the distance of 75 feet at every place from any place of the organization. By the year this time, organization have to achieve zero LTA by this date, and these type of objectives need to be structured and they need to be done. Then we comes down to the SOP, standard operating procedures of occupational health and safety, which are inclusive of context of the organization, planning, internal audit, management review, hierarch SOP, which is very important and mandatory SOP the of this standard, has a dedication, risk assessment and control SOP, SOP of PPs, SOP of first aid, SOP of firefighting, SOP of planning, SOP. These sites are sort of SOPs should be structured for the occupational health and safety ISO 45001 2018. Then we have to have a proper internal audit for the occupational health and safety for the organization. We need to have a proper management review for the organization, which is very important. These need to be done and need to be structured properly. And then we have to have a incident accident record of that. We should have a PP's record of the organization on a per bit regular basis. We need to have a proper occupational health and safety trainings there in the organization, and these type of things when we apply on the regular basis in to the organization, we come to know that we have make a very robust system which runs the system. When after you make the complete documentation, then you have to call off the external body from where you have to do the external audit, when from where you have to take the certification of ISO. Well, from then with that thing need to be signed up, and you have to take the certification of ISO 45001 2018, and that you get structured and come to the complete process of ISO 45001 2018. Thank you.